Welcome. In this video, we're going to go step by step on how you can export voice messages from your private groups on the Telegram app for PC using the new update. If you've been searching for a simple way to save those important conversations and audio notes outside of Telegram, this method will make it clear and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top left corner of the page, where you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on those lines to open up the main menu. From there, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice several options, but what we need is under Advanced. Click on Advanced to open the additional features. Now, scroll down until you find an option called Export Telegram Data. This is the section that allows you to back up or extract different types of information directly from your account. Once you're inside Export Telegram Data, you'll see a variety of categories, like chats, files, and media. Since we only want to export from private groups, make sure to check the box that says Private Groups. This ensures you're not pulling unnecessary data from other areas. Next, scroll a little further down until you see the option for voice messages. This is the key part. Check the box next to voice messages so that only the audio files from your private groups will be included in the export. After selecting it, click on the Export button to begin the process. Depending on how many messages you have stored, the export may take a few moments. Once it's finished, you'll see the option to click on Show My Data. This will immediately open the folder where your files have been saved, and inside, you'll find the exported voice messages neatly organized and ready for you to use. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've exported your voice messages from private groups on Telegram straight to your computer. This new update makes it faster and more reliable to back up the content you want to keep safe. Thanks for watching.